Indianapolis and Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Hendricks County until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and 11:44 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Danville, or 15 miles west of Indianapolis, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Following attacks are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Plainfield around 11:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Clayton. This includes Interstate 70 between mile marker 64 and 68. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Hendricks, Indiana,